Hello, I'm Dr. Brian Haas. I want to thank you for visiting my site. You know, for many years now, I've specialized in spinal rejuvenation therapy and brain-based therapy. These therapies have been proven clinically to successfully treat vertigo, dizziness, loss of balance. Maybe you've been diagnosed with Meniere syndrome. Some of you may be feeling extremely frustrated with your condition. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is hope. You see, hope that comes in the form of a non-surgical, drug-free approach to fix your problem. And it doesn't matter if you've been taking several different medications, you know, a whole laundry list of medications, or have been to many different doctors. So all you have to do is fill out the form below with your name, your email address, and I will give you immediate access to my video. This video will help explain how our state-of-the-art treatment therapies will help you. I will give you a gift when you confirm your opt-in email address. So again, fill out the form below with your name and your email, and I will talk to you soon.